Hello everyone! Well, the time has come when artificial intelligence has replaced me as a photographer. I won't left without work, without money, and even without my favorite pizza. Actually, I'm joking. Now anyone can do all of this in just a few seconds. But now I'm not joking. And the name of this AI monster that took everything from me is even funny. Nano Banana. At first no one knew that it was, but today it's clear this is Gemini 2.5 Flash image editor from Google. And it's not just another image generator. This banana has broken all records in image editing ratings. And what it can do, make it the new king among the rest. The name Nano Banana appeared by accident, and even after it became known that this is actually Gemini Flash image, users didn't want to give up the old name, because it sounds simple and fun. But what exactly made this model win everyone over? Its main feature is character consistency. In most generators, if you ask for the same character in different scenes, something always breaks. A different face, strange hands or weird eyes. With Nano Banana it's the opposite. You create a character and it stays the same in any situation. Google AI Studio is even free for now. So let's check how it works. On the developers page at DeepMind, you have two ways to use this model. Directly in Gemini app, and just like in ChatGPT, you add an image, enter a prompt and start editing it. For example, I have an image of a bird on a skyscraper. I use this shot to create viral videos on another one of my channel. And I write, add a burger on the edge of the plank, it hangs halfway down. Then I ask to replace the burger with a banana. The result is stunning, no unnecessary changes, only exactly I specified. Another example, I upload my photo, then add a generated image of a stunning road, write a prompt to place me on this highway and turn me into a biker. And here's the result. Next, I upload the photo of the bike and ask to put me on it. Now in the Vivid.ai service, I insert my image, choose the Clean 2.1 model and generate a video. Hit run, and thank you all for watching. I'm off-roading now.